Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to quickly polish silver jewelry items. So let's start the video. So we are going to use this magnetic pin machine to polish all the silver jewelry items. Now put all the silver jewelry items inside this machine and start the machine. So here it is, the process is complete. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.